Hey guys, what's up? Courtney here. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's having a wonderful day today. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on my channel. I do appreciate it. I know you didn't have to. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, tap subscribe, and hit the ring bell for notifications. If you're not new to my channel, then hey you guys, what's up? So yes, I look a hot mess. I have not been feeling well. I have been in the bed for 3 days. There's been a lot going on. There's been a lot that's happened in the last 3 days. So, but I did go and check the mail. And when I went and checked the mail, I looked and my real Allure Beauty Box came. Not real, but one from actually Allure. So I have let it sit out for a little while. And I'm going to find out right now if there's any difference between this one and the one that I got from Amazon. So we're getting ready to open it right now. I'm opening it for the first time with my scissors. There we go. Well, let's open this baby up and see. Okay, so we have the pamphlet, same pamphlet. And guess what? I'm checking the sides of the bag, and the bag is not ripped. So here's my Sunday Rye, the A+ serum, the high dose retinoid. Here is the whey. And let's open this up and see. I mean, it's got to be the weather, you guys. It really does, because this one is not stuck down in there. But the weather has to be what's making it do that. So I'm gonna let it warm up and see. I mean, it still doesn't look full. I mean, it looks like it's, you know, you can still see the front wall. I don't know. It's okay. I'm not gonna complain about it. I'm not gonna complain about it. There is the NCLA polish, which I'll probably do this, put this in a giveaway. I have the CEO Glow Oil, another one of those, amazing. This is the CEO Glow Vitamin C Turmeric Face Oil by Sunday Riley. This is a full size. If you did not see my original video on what this bag's about, I will link it up here. When I got the first box, it said in here that you would either get the Amika hair mask or you would get the mini beauty blenders. In the first box, I got the Amika mask. Well, I did get the beauty blenders this time. So I did get both. And this is what I thought. I thought this was going to happen. So these are the little mini beauty blenders, and they are both little teeny tiny pink blenders. And this is the only thing different in this box than the other. It says on the front, celebrating 15 years. These are the minis, and it says on here about the minis, they're worth $18. And it says that I think that we can agree that anything mini is adorable. The tiny version of the Beauty Blender, quite possibly the world's best makeup sponge, is also very practical. You can use it to be really precise about your concealer application. You wet it, yada yada. This can be used, tap it around your concealer and overshadows or around your eyes. This may include the inner and outer corners, redness around your nose, sunspots, etc. It's easier to maneuver than a full-size sponge, and it doesn't streak like your fingers would. So you can get this at beautyblender.com, and it's $18. And yeah, so I'm excited to have this and the Amika mask. So I think the choice that I made to do the Allure Beauty Box through Amazon and the regular box was a good choice. And then the last two items in here are the same as the other box. We have the Deuce Relentless Matte Lip Crayon in Winterberry, the same color. That's what it looks like. And then we have the Mally Evercolor Shadow Stick Extra in the color Burnished Bronze, which is such a beautiful, beautiful item. The packaging on this is gorgeous. I know it's really hard to see the lettering, but it is gorgeous. So that's what it looks like. You can kind of see it there. But this is just a great, great, great. Mally is just wonderful. I just love Mally. So anyways, I just want to come on here really quick and show you guys these items, and the fact that the bag that I got on this one is not broken. It is completely usable. I don't see any reason why it would break. I'm thinking that with the ones from Amazon, that there was possibly an issue with as far as quality control goes, as far as maybe where they were storing them. It may have caused, the weather may have caused the sides to rip, because both, or two people that I know of had a box that had these ripped on there. So, ooh. Anyways, so yeah, so this is my Allure Beauty Box. I told you guys I would let you guys know when I got my other one. I had just gotten it. As far as I know, it's today, and today is Wednesday. I don't even know what the date is, but it's Wednesday. So, but yeah, this is very late. But you know what? It's okay. I'm happy about the blenders. I will probably give the nail polish away in a, since I already have one, in a giveaway, as well as the Deuce Lippy, and possibly the Mally Shadow Stick, depending on how this works for me. I like to have one as a backup. If not, then I will give this away to somebody. So this will be part of a giveaway that I will do. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a like, subscribe, and tap on the ring bell for notifications, and I will support you back. I'm sorry that I'm looking a hot mess right now, so I put on my cozy comfortable little thing that I got from Ulta from my sister-in-law. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video, and maybe I will look a little bit. So I'll see you guys later. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this as opposed to the other box, and what you guys think about the Amazon versus Allure. So I love you all. Will not argue. See you guys on the next one. Bye.